The At a Glance component brings together all of the relevant information for today and presents it in a single screen. The information available includes the store's total targets for each of the dashboard KPIs, the store schedule, tasks, messages, and events for the day. It also provides visibility to store rankings on select KPIs. At a Glance will always display information for today. Targets include actual totals as the day progresses, total target for the day, and the total for the same day last year. By selecting the Week to Date Actual button, information for yesterday and week to date will display on screen. The Last Year Notes button will open a window that displays any notes that were added through statistics for the same day last year. Tasks include any tasks where today is within the start and end date of the task, as well as any overdue tasks in red. To see the details of a task, click on the task title and a window will open with more detail. Tasks that are marked as critical will be presented at the top of the task list and have an exclamation mark next to them. Tasks may include attachments, which can be accessed by clicking the available link. To mark a task complete, click on the completed box. The task will open up, allowing the user to update the status of the task. Selecting the Completed By field allows the user to designate which employee completed the task. The Work Effort field is used to track how long the task took to complete in hours. There is also a comment section where the user may add comments related to the task. Completed tasks will remain on screen until after the due date has expired. Tasks can be pushed down to stores by a corporate office user and can also be added at store level if the store user has permission to add tasks. To add a task, a user simply needs to select the Add Task icon. The task title is what will be displayed. Additional details may also be added. These are presented when a user clicks on the task title. The task will begin appearing on screen as of the start date and, if complete, will no longer appear on screen following the end date. Task Calendar provides 4 weeks of visibility of assigned tasks in order to improve planning. The system will display the selected week plus 3 weeks into the future. Messages is used to post messages of celebration, encouragement, and key focuses for the day. Messages that have been applied to the specific store will be displayed on screen. Messages can be pushed down to the stores by a corporate user and may also be added at store level if the store user has permission to add messages. Store users may use the Add message to send a message to store level or to their location manager. Users with permission to send messages to store level will select the store using the estate hierarchy. The message is entered into the description box and a start and end date for the message is entered. The message will appear for the selected location from the start date to the end date. Events displays any events that the store is participating in, as well as the start and end dates. Events can be pushed down to the stores by a corporate user and may also be added at store level if the store user has permission to add events. To add an event, select the Add Event icon. Event Calendar provides 4 weeks of visibility of upcoming events in order to improve planning. The system will display the selected week plus 3 weeks into the future. The Schedule section includes a list of employees scheduled for the day with the shift start and end times. Click on the Print Gantt to print the schedule for the day. You are also able to print a break schedule for the day. This displays the scheduled break times by employee. Store rankings are displayed for various KPIs. These update each night and will tell the store how they rank against other stores in their location and either company or specific store group for yesterday, week to date, and year to date. The number in the bracket is a count of how many stores are in each group. Click on the KPI to change the current view for the rankings. Selecting Print will produce an at-a-glance report that can be printed for the store. The printed report assists in communicating what you want all associates to know, regardless of when their shift starts. This report displays all of the information that you see on screen and is organized by the content section. The user may select the information they want to print. By selecting Sales Leader, the segment assignments and store targets will print on the at-a-glance report. Use Week View to help plan ahead. This includes targets, tasks, and events. Select the View Week option to gain visibility to tasks, events, and targets for every day within the selected week. Use the arrows at the bottom to scroll to the desired week. All content that has been applied for these sections will be displayed. Select Print to print the Week View report.